guys, welcome back to my channel.
For today's video guys is showing you how to make a cabbage roll. So here I have a chopped onions, chopped garlic, and chopped mushroom.
And this one here, I have a boiling water. Here's my cabbage. So here's my cabbage guys. So we need to remove this, how we call this. And like that. Oops, be careful. So let the cabbage cool down first, guys.
And I'm using minced beef guys. You can also use minced pork, it's up to you. And I have chopped tomato, and let's prepare.
Here's my beef.
guys for about 1.5 hours to make sure everything will be cooked. And see you in about 1.5 hours. I'll be back. And after 1.5 hours, there you go, guys. Look at this. So delicious. You guys should try this at home. And I'm gonna serve it with garlic bread. It's so delicious, guys. Believe me, so delicious. You must try this cabbage roll.